It has been ages since I have sat down and done a haul and gave you comps. So that's what I'm going to do. If you want to see my consignment shop haul and what things are selling for,
We hustle hard, stacking green, living out the dream. From clothes and kicks, we got that vintage flair. You name it, we got it. All the styles you wanna wear. Started small, now we grow. Watch the empire rise, flipping churches, catching eyes.
Hey, reseller besties, it is Stephanie with Three Queens Resell. And if you are new here, welcome in. I am a full time reseller. And if you are a reseller bestie, hey, I love that you guys always show up for me. It keeps me coming back, friends. So today I'm going to share with you. It is a combination of three consignment shop hauls. I have been delinquent in getting my haul videos done. So I thought I would do it live with you guys, or, well, you know what I mean, and show you what I got and see if we can find some comps together on the internet. So let's get into it. So, first up, we have this Matilda Jane dress. It is a size medium. It is new at tag. This is called the Matilda Jane Heart to Heart Macintosh striped knit dress. So it is a midi length dress with puff sleeves with some like ruching detail, elastic waistband, and these like decorative buttons. They are not functional. It is a popover. And comps, I paid $4 for this dress, and comps range in, these are listed and sold for size mediums 16, 18. It doesn't tell me if it's listed or sold. Let's see if I can back out. They range from 16, 18, which I feel like is on the low end, and that one was not new at tag. So we'll just look at new at tag ones. So Poshmark 35, eBay 50, eBay 88.95. That's for a 2X. So mediums look like the $35 to $40 range for this piece. So I'll probably list at about 35 and take appropriate offers. So the next item is this Madewell V-back wide leg jumpsuit. It is so cute and whimsical. It has a zipper back, it has pockets. Definitely a great piece to transition into fall. I paid $5.30 for this, and I think it's a great piece to transition into fall with. Like I said, and comps are between 24 and 35. So this next piece I did pay up $14 for. It is the brand Love Shack Fancy. So here is the tag. They have a collab in Target right now that is going crazy. This is a size small, and this is a tiered pastel tie-dye skirt, elastic waistband, size small. It is very teeny tiny. The sell price of soles ranges from 50 to 130. The retail price was for this little skirt was $265. So I think I'm going to price mine on the higher end, probably around 80. It is a size small. I paid $14 for it, so that will be the starting point. Let me know in the comments where you would price this at. So next up is this Joseph Ribkoff piece. This one is a US size 18. So she's plus size. She's got this studded beading all over, even the curved hem at the bottom. Tunic length, a great piece, and she's plus size. So I paid $5.75 for this, and similar Joseph Ribkoff embellished tunic tops are going between 25 and 30 on eBay and Poshmark. Since this one is a little larger, size 18, I'll probably lean more towards that $45. It's not new at tags, so I think the new at tags would be for the $65 price point, but I'm really happy with this pickup. So this next piece is a bit of conundrum because I can't find very much on them. But here is the tag. So this is a women's 36-inch waist. These are J. Crew, and they are a wide leg trouser. And so since they are new at tags, they are wide leg. White is heading out, but I'm going to get them listed in a jiffy. Um, Similar style pants, new at tag, are going for about $75. So that's where I think I'm going to price these at. But this would be another pair. Like I said, they are new at tags. They are J. Crew, and I can't find a comp for a women's 36 waist. So let me know what you would price them at in the comments down below. So next up, I have this size medium Vineyard Vines Shep shirt. It looks to be in pretty good condition, not very much peeling at all. And this is a great piece to transition into fall with. Sold comps show $17 to $30 depending on condition. Since this is a unique color wave that I haven't really seen, but it's not in perfect condition, I'm going to start at 30 and take offers. So the next is a first for me. Now I picked it up because of the size. It's a newer tag Lily Pulitzer, and it's a 2X. I generally like to get Lily Pulitzer in the more fun, vibrant patterns. This is the Ophelia swing dress and Onyx Reef Madness. It had an original retail value of $188, but on the pre-resale market, it's going between $40 and $88. And the fact that it's a 2X, I have never seen plus size Lily Pulitzer, and this has some great stretch in it. So I'm going to start it closer to that 88 price point, even though it's not new at tags. This next item is kind of picked up as a style-based pickup. I am trying to do more of that. So this is all embroidery. This is the brand Lulu's, which I tend to leave behind, but I really was like, this really caught my eye, and I just think this would be super cute for fall. The back is plain, just a zipper skirt. It is a size small, and I do see comps ranging from 17 to 35. It is in excellent pre-owned condition, but I'll probably start it at 25. But I just love this embroidery detail, and it's a real statement piece. So I have another pair of J. Crew denim, and this is another women's size 36. Unlike the white ones, they are not new at tag, and they are not wide leg. They are more of a straight leg silhouette, but still a nice denim. The white ones I said I was going to list about 75, but they are new at tag. I'm probably going to list these between like 30 and 40 after I do some more research. But this size 36 women's in the J. Crew is really hard to find in their comps for and their plus size. So that's going to be it for today's haul. I will come back with a part 2. But let me know if you like this style of what sold or haul video, and I can do more videos like this. But be sure to give me a thumbs up, comment your favorite piece so far in the haul down below, and I will see you in the next one, friends.
Three Queens Resell, let me set the scene. We hustle hard, second green, living up the dream. From clothes and kicks, we got